Okay guys, so we have the G on the jack stands, and what we're planning to do is, installing these fender liners. I have yet to see a video on YouTube of someone actually, like doing like a full install and guide, whatever. I got these from Z1 Motorsports, so these are OEM. These did run me like 50 bucks each. You can buy like cheaper ones for like 25 each, but it's better just to go OEM because they do have the, everything where it's supposed to be, the drill holes, and it comes with this bracket. So I do have a Chroma Z front bumper, so I probably will have to drill holes at the bottom. Okay guys, so we got the wheel off, and it's me, but I test fitted the fender liner. I just kind of lined it up right now, and I'm sorry for the lighting. The sun is really terrible right now. So if you guys didn't know, there's actually two fender liners. This one, and then the one that I got, which is the one, the front one. So yeah, my idea of putting nuts and bolts is not going to work because, obviously there's no way to, put one from the back, and you get the point. But I will have to put them from right there. And this one is the one from the engine bay, the one that's like more accessible. That's kind of where the idea of the nuts and bolts came from. I was like, you know what? If I can reach from right here, I could probably, screw them on. But again, I'm stupid. So you have that, and then the main one is on top, and that's what connects this one with the other ashy fender liner. And then behind here, the bumper, where the side marker is, you have a metal bracket. You can't really see it. Well, it's behind here, so you have to put them right there, here, and there. I did tuck the fender liner inside the bumper, so obviously it's not outside and scraping. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to go to O'Reilly's and get the push rivets. Is that what they're called? Push rivets? I don't know. But yeah, I'll be back after I finish this and install the other one. Okay, so I finally was able to find some. Okay, so they're called push rivets. So I got these GM bumper push rivets. They come in two. These are actually really well. They definitely lock. So it's locked right there. I got the ghetto one, then the main one up here, then this one here, this one right there, and I did forget to mention there's one right here. So for the main part, it's definitely secure. So this is only the only ones that I had in stock. So I bought these different ones. I hope they're kind of the same. But yeah, now I'm gonna do the other side. Hey, y'all fuck with the new whip though? Hold up. I completely forgot about this fuckery. But a couple months back, when I installed the my cold air intake, I didn't want rain to get into it. So this is what I did, man. Oh shit. Holy shit. Okay, anyway, so yeah, I did some ghetto shit where, I cut off some castor edge oil, and this is where you have the intake. It does have the hydro shield for the water, but again, this hole was just open, so water will definitely sling in there. So now finally got this bitch, so now I won't have to worry about this, man. But hey, you get it how you live, bro. On this side, I I did have to get a screwdriver and take off this this bolt right here. On the other side, it didn't have one, but oh shit, man. But yeah, that's what it is. Dude, I think I just sound like a lottery ticket or something. What the hell is this? Oh shit. Deja Vu Showgirls. Yo, is this a coupon, bro? What is this? $15 all sale. Yo, I'm gonna have to go to this, bro. Catch me there. Is that a Tomei fucker? Okay guys, so we have finished both sides. For whatever reason, the bracket was not lining up right on this side, and then I did have to slightly modify where the fender is, make a hole right there. That was giving me a problem. I know I'm missing some rivets, but I'll just take care of them later. I have the rivet from the back and then up top. So you do have this larger gapping right here, and that's because this is an aftermarket bumper, and it is about an inch lower than the OEM. So that's how you'll be sitting if you have an aftermarket bumper, possibly. Okay, so I've just finished installing the fender liners. So now these headlamps are definitely protected. It's definitely a peace of mind, because whenever I went to the car wash, I would always have that like thought in my mind where when I would wash the wheel, I would try to be careful so the water wouldn't get into the intake. So now I'm gonna have that peace of mind. So I'm really glad where this is going so far. You know, we got the covers for the engine bay to not only to clean it up, but it'll definitely protect the components. And now we have the fender liners. Now what's next? An under tray, you know, just protect all of the engine bay from getting dust, because every now and then when I pop the hood, like this will be like super dusty, and I'm like, damn, bro. But yeah, that's it guys, until the next video. Peace.